to add audio to your CapCut video. It could be anything. It could be music. It could be a little click, literally anything you want. So what you have to do firstly is you have to click on the sign right here where it's audio. It should be the second one all the way to the left corner. Then once you click on that, now from here you can search up literally anything. You have TikTok songs you can search up, literally anything that's on your mind. For example, I'm gonna add a little click sound on the top. I just put a click sound right here, and let's see. You guys just heard that sound. I could literally add anything. I have a lot of other click sound I could add too. Like look, that's a double click. I could add music if I want. So I just searched up music, not copyright, and a lot of music just came up. For example, this one right here, and I could play the music. So you have a lot of options you could add. So that's how you add audio, music, literally anything you want, background sounds for completely free in CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.